Hello everybody, welcome back to Creeper Comics Productions. I have the hiccups because I'm very excited for this. We are going to be building a computer today. So, this is a project I've been working on. I haven't been uploading a lot lately because I've been just waiting for these packages mostly and just picking stuff out. So it is finally all here after delays and things on the graphics card and RAM and things. Everything is all here. So here's some clips of us just getting the packages, just hooking up things. So we'll roll that right now, and then we'll come right back here. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Creeper Comics Productions. And today, my CPU has arrived for my new PC. So we're going to unbox this real quick with our handy dandy knife, and we're going to go ahead and see what this is like. So this is a Ryzen 5600, and packaging tape is my worst nightmare. So we're going to open this thing up and take a look at it. Why is this like this? There we go. And just go right through the middle. Thanks, Dad. This will be helpful. Okay, so we've got ourselves a bunch of these bags, and then this is our CPU. This thing costs so much. I'm going to be very careful with this because it's going to, I do not want to break it. I know. AMD Ryzen 5600X. There's the chip.
Yeah, nice close up.
There's the chip. Then I've got a little sticker to put on the computer when it's done. There's that. There's that. I've got this huge box in here for some reason. I don't know what this is all about. It might be cooling. Yeah, it's cooling. It looks like a very nice fan. Sup. Oh, wow. So there it is in the box. Get out. We've got ourselves a nice.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wait, look at that. Listen to this. Like a wind chime.
A wind chime.
Oh my gosh,
for
that
computers.
is so cool.
It's a wind chime for computers.
Anyway, that's my CPU. Yeah, you can cut it. Okay, so it's morning on Wednesday, and I think my stuff just came. So this is for the computer, and oh, hello, Obi. Obi always likes making an appearance. Watch out, it's a sharp knife. So it's a giant box. I can already see the stuff in here. Oh yes. Oh, it's just the case? Oh, it's just the case, I think. Oh my gosh. So, let me try to prop this up out. This is... Okay, that's way too heavy. Here, can you just come over here and show it? Oh, thanks, Dad. Okay. It's so heavy. So this is the case. I don't know when the rest of it's coming, but this is the case.
Once you move the box.
Oh, Ben, the cat's gonna love this thing. It actually does weigh a lot of cardboard. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Actually, is that good?
It's your stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna open this up because I can keep it in a safe place. I can put it in my room. So slowly, right on move. So this case, we managed to get because I didn't want to get this one originally because it costed. Well, it costs a lot more than the one that I originally picked out, and it didn't quite fit into our budget. But then we realized we had an extra motherboard on the spreadsheet, so we could afford this, and figured might as well get a little bit nicer case and better airflow, because that'll just help in the long run. And the cardboard's like stuck together. Do this,
Did you
and
get a sharper knife?
Yeah, I'll probably need a sharper knife. This one's dull. I haven't sharpened it in a while. Thank you. Okay, this one's definitely sharp. Yeah, this one's working much better. It's cutting the cardboard up. Yep.
Is it overlapped on the tape?
That should be good. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's nicer than I thought it would be. Hand you back your knife.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm actually going to bring this down to the floor so I get a little bit better leverage. Oh. Ah. Scrape myself a bit. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the box. Then if I pull it out, it's going to be hard. Lay this down.
There you go.
Use gravity to assist me a little bit.
Turn it right upside down.
Okay. Go. Go, cat. Oh, wow. And then. Oh, gosh. Okay, I felt something come. Okay. Then, you should be able to slide it right on out. Or not. It's so tightly packaged.
Grab the bottom. Grab the bottom. And when you got it.
There we go. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to take it out of the plastic just yet. But that is very nice. So yeah, hopefully the rest of the parts come today. Wow. Oh wait, this is upside down too.
Does that have the color on it?
Yeah, this one has RGB. It has a little remote that can change the color too. I gotta locate that though. Yeah, that's cool. It's got power button, easy access USBs, headphone ports. Not really gonna need those because my headphones are USB. Straighten this out a bit. You can see. So this is the third part to arrive. My power supply also came. But yes, this is. Well, now the cat owns it. My motherboard just arrived. I think the keyboard might have come with it. So we will now find out. This knife cuts much better. Thank you for sharpening, Dad. Now we have. Oh, I think the keyboard came as well. Or something else. Yeah, it's the keyboard as well. So here's the motherboard. See if I have a picture. Yep, there's a picture on the back. I'll let you look at that while I get the keyboard out.
Don't set it on the edge.
Oh, I didn't know there was. There we go. So there's a picture. I'm gonna pop out the keyboard. I'm actually gonna unbox this because I want to try something with it. So we add that to our massive pile of boxes. So if we find where this connects, I don't unbox enough stuff. Okay, so here we need to cut our knife. slice through the cardboard, slice through the, that's actually some very strong tape. Slice through it. You should be able to open up the box. That. Open up this front flap. Then up the whole thing. There we go. Now have a keyboard. Ooh, that's nice. I ordered this because it looked nice. Nicer than I thought.
Hold it up.
Yeah, this is my keyboard. And also, one of the cool things about it is that it's got swappable keys, so you can replace your keys on it. Which is really cool. So I'm not going to take the tools out just yet, but I want to try something. I'm going to hook this up to my laptop and see if it actually works as a keyboard on my laptop, because it is a USB device. So I'm going to see if it recognizes it and if it runs. Okay, so I've hooked it up. Now we're going to go into Hypixel here, and we're going to see if it runs. So it feels very nice and smooth already. So oh wow, okay, it actually works. Jump around between. Oh goodness, the lag. Yeah, keyboard noise is definitely going to be present in my videos after this computer's all set up. It's not necessarily quiet, but it is a lot nicer. The key presses are smooth, much smoother than my laptop, and it feels satisfying to hit the buttons. Oh, wow, this is amazing. It's nice. It's very nice. I want to see, if I hit F3, will it crash my computer? It works! Because F3 here on this, it changes my brightness. So if I hit F3 here, it changes my brightness.
Well, that's because you gotta push the function key with it.
Okay, well, we don't have to do that anymore. Okay, so yes, so I can do, this is another cool thing that you can do on Java Edition. You can open up this screen, which gives you coordinates and stuff, and it's a lot easier. I should probably move my headphones out of the way so you guys can see the screen. But that is very interesting. Very, very interesting. So that is cool. I'm just gonna play with this keyboard. It's just satisfying. Look, I can just plop it right here and just uncertainly perch it onto my hand, and then I can go around and do whatever I want. Oh man, this is great. Oh my goodness, yeah, that's actually really cool. So if I'd say that's pretty cool. So if you go down, this is our workstation here. Also, before we do this, I just like to introduce people while you look at some of these parts. My dad is here helping me today. My friends Emil and Adrian are over there, and my little brother Keandre 9002, or Matt, behind the camera. They are all helping out with this in their own way. So we're all grounded to the power supply. It's on our ankles beneath us, so you can't really see it, but our hands all free. But we are grounded, so do PC people out there aren't going to be like, oh no, don't touch that graphics card without being grounded or anything. I mean, the CPU without being grounded. Probably the graphics card as well. But let's go ahead and start opening stuff up. So most of these components I have not even looked at yet. So okay, so find motherboard. Oh wow, that is very nice. Is that angled down all the way?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so
motherboard.
okay.
Hold the whole thing out.
Whole thing up.
Yeah, whole thing up.
Okay, close the box. Actually, we got some
You
stuff out.
got lots of stuff.
We got oh my gosh, there's so many things in this
Take it off
box.
the
Yeah, that's the user manual, which we're going to have to read at some point. I think that's everything.
You
Okay.
do know how to use it. So we're gonna set this up on top.
Pull that out of the box. That's fine.
Oh goodness.
It's a little hefty.
Feels weird holding this. Okay, so now we're gonna open up this bag. We gotta cut it, I think.
No, you don't.
No,
It's right there. So that's going to say it's open. So just give it a slice right there. Yeah, okay. I'll let you take it out.
Oh my gosh, this feels weird though. Touch.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh wow, it's spiky on the bottom too because of the little thing.
It's waveform soldered, yes. All right.
Should we peel this off or?
No.
Oh, there's a fan under this. We should peel that
We
eventually.
will eventually, okay?
So,
We should
the
remove
first-
before starting, so we
Okay,
won't
so
do that.
First
So,
step is to install the CPU, if I'm correct. So
that or the RAM.
let's do the RAM first because this is, you know, less risk than the CPU, and also I like the satisfying
Okay.
noise
All right.
because
So,
I've watched videos and it's very satisfying. Gotta
So-
give it a little slice. I'm gonna open up the RAM. So I will put a link in the description to all these different parts. Probably just copy and paste it off of the spreadsheet that we used, or if possible, a link to that spreadsheet.
oh, they actually have YouTube link videos.
So
I just don't
we
know what.
have some Crucial Ballistix RAM here, and 16 gigabytes as total. So we have 2 sticks of 8, as you can see here. I believe that is in the camera shot.
Let me go check.
It's in the camera shot. So, so can you guys see that? Okay. Yeah. So there it is. 2 sticks of RAM here. You need to pop these out of the case. The second I go to the other one, the first one just pops right back on. Okay. We'll take this out. Okay, so we just stick. So do we just start sticking the RAM into these?
Yeah, right.
Well, you gotta. There's 2 slots that it goes into, so it's gonna be alternating slots because they're paired, and I gotta see which ones are what they labeled their slots as.
RGB RAM.
This is not RGB. I
Yeah.
didn't want to pay the extra $20 for the lights because if I really have to, I'll just go to Walmart or something and buy some LED lights. So
Okay.
this is gonna probably start to do a time lapse here, so it's not as boring after just us talking to you. But once we are done with a certain piece and we're explaining what we're gonna do next, these hiccups are annoying. Then we'll untime lapse it in the editing phase, and we'll be able to show you what we're doing. So now we're just gonna figure out the correct way to install our RAM and probably our CPU as well, which is a Ryzen 5600X. It's still in the packaging, and we'll probably have to reapply thermal paste because when we're looking at this, it got touched.
Show the CPU again?
So, here's the CPU. There it is inside of the packaging there. It's under a plastic thing, but this is the whole box for it. So I'm going to set that down over here because we're first going to do our RAM. So, time lapse now. Now. Okay, so we're updating the BIOS right now. The PC is complete, and my dad liked the random rainbow lights, so we're just gonna have those for now. We do have a remote to change them, so we have a whole bunch of colors. But yes, there's the whole thing complete. My camera kept running out of storage, so we couldn't get everything in. But as you can see, there's our motherboard, just running there. We've got our graphics card, potato graphics card. See, the fan on that is also running. It's kind of hard to see though. Let me back up a bit. It's hard to angle this, but as you can see, the graphics card also running good. All of our extra fans, the problem fans at the top, that one of them we installed backwards from what I see here. See, yeah. Still, it looks fine. But yep, just we're updating the BIOS, and then we're gonna download Windows 10, and then we're gonna get Windows 10 Pro, and well, from updating Windows 7 Pro. But yep, we are going to just be waiting, and once everything's set up and we've got Windows running, we will hopefully be able to start recording from the computer itself and have it right on the hard drive, which is under that MSI looking heat shield there. It's under there about here in the middle of the screen now. So we'll come back once that's all done.